An egg is not just laid. It is built inside a hen's body layer by layer, in a process that takes nearly 24 hours, and almost every egg you eat went through this exact biological system. Inside a hen's body, there is a special organ called the ovary. This is where tiny yolks are formed. These yolks are the yellow center of an egg. A hen is born with thousands of these undeveloped yolks, but only some of them mature over time when a yolk becomes ready. It is released from the ovary, and this is where the process truly begins. After leaving the ovary, the yolk enters a long tube called the oviduct. This tube acts like a biological assembly line. Each section of the oviduct adds a different layer to the egg. The first major section is called the magnum. Here, the yolk is surrounded by a thick protein-rich substance. This becomes the egg white, also known as albumin. Next, the egg moves into a section called the isthmus. In this stage, two thin membranes form around the egg. These membranes act like a protective layer. They help maintain the egg's structure and protect the inner contents. At this point, the egg is still soft and doesn't yet have a hard shell. Then comes the most important stage. The egg enters the shell gland, also known as the uterus. Here, calcium begins to deposit around the egg. Over the next 20 hours, this calcium hardens to form the shell. This is the longest stage of the entire process. It's also where the egg gets its final shape. By the end of this stage, the egg is completely formed. Once the shell is ready, the egg moves toward the final part of the oviduct, and then it is laid from start to finish. This entire process takes about 24 to 26 hours. That's why a healthy hen can lay almost one egg every day. One surprising fact is that most eggs we eat are not fertilized. This means they will never develop into chicks. They are simply part of the hen's natural reproductive cycle. An egg may look simple, but inside it is a perfectly designed biological system built step by step. Inside a living organism, a small, everyday object, that is actually a masterpiece of nature.